Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, has accused the National Security Advisor, Malam Nuhu Ribadu, of being behind his ordeal in the hands of the EFCC and the ICPC, as well as the investigation by Kaduna State House of Assembly, saying that Nuhu Ribadu want to take him down because Nuhu Ribadu is eyeing the presidency in 2031, and anybody, including him, El-Rufai, who appears to be a threat, has to be eliminated in the word of Malam Nasiru El-Rufai. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. The allegation that Malam Nuhu Ribadu, the National Security Advisor, is behind the ordeal of Malam El-Rufai, former governor of Kaduna State. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the former governor of Kaduna State, in his first interview since leaving office on May 29, 2023, with the Arise television primetime 8 p.m. program, he said a whole lot of things, but one of the things he said and addressed was the issue of his government being investigated both by the Kaduna State House of Assembly, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, and Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission. And he put the blame squarely on the National Security Advisor. He claimed that the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, is using Governor Obasani to tarnish his image and his reputation. And this is what he said, and I quote, this is what Malam Nasiru El-Rufai told the Arise TV. He said, Ribadu is the architect behind my investigation and the attack on my commissioners. He wants to be president in 2031. So he is determined to eliminate, that's his word, to eliminate any of us who he sees as an obstacle to his ambition, the former governor claimed. Again, the former governor said, and I quote, just last week, I got an information that Ribadu is asking everyone to get me indicted by whatever means. End of quote. Now, that was El-Rufai blaming Nuhu Ribadu for his ordeal. But there's also something that we all need to note. That is that the Kaduna State House of Assembly, after an investigation of the administration of Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, indicted his administration of mismanaging about 400 billion naira. Now that's humongous amount being mismanaged. El-Rufai has challenged it, claiming that there was no truth at all in that. But that has not stopped the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission and the Independent Corrupt Practices Commission, Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission, from investigating some senior officials of the El-Rufai administration. Of course, those of them that are being persecuted, they have denied the allegation, and they also claim being witch hunted. This is really interesting because El-Rufai went on to say that in that interview, he said that EFCC was much more professional in their investigation of the matter, but that the ICPC, that the boss of the ICPC talk about relationship between those in the ICPC and the National Security Advisor, and saying that they are doing the bidding of the National Security Advisor, that's the ICPC, because the ICPC has indicted some of his commissioners, while according to him, the EFCC have not seen anything to stand on to persecute any of his people. So he has some nice word to say about the EFCC, but not so for the ICPC. Now, it's also interesting to note that El-Rufai's claim that Ribadu is fixated on becoming president in 2031, for which El-Rufai alleged that he is ready to deal with anybody who had the potential of standing in his way, which El-Rufai now claims he is one of his victims. This claim that El-Rufai want to be Nuhu Ribadu is eyeing the presidency in 2031 is coming at a time when Tigran Gambayan, the head of the financial crimes at the cryptocurrency firm Binance, had accused the Nigerian National Security Advisor of seeking to personally benefit from Nigeria's dispute with Binance. Mr. Gambayan, who was detained in Nigeria for several months, made this allegation in a series of tweets recently posted on his X page, where he wrote, Ribadu emphasized that he wanted billions in payouts to fund his future political ambition. However, when the corruption scandal came to light, he was trapped because any settlement will now be perceived as a bribe. I guess he really wanted his boss's job. Gambayan said. That's the ex-official of Binance that was detained in Nigeria for several months, claiming that Nuhu Ribadu is eyeing Tinubu's job. And now El-Rufai is saying that the same NSA is eyeing Tinubu's job in 2031. Of course, you and I know that Nuhu Ribadu has denied the claim by Gambayan. There was a strong rebuttal by the Minister of Information and Orientation, Mohammed Idris, who issued strong-worded statement debunking the allegations that was made against Nuhu Ribadu and some members of the National Assembly over alleged bribery allegation that was made by the ex-Binance official. But I just brought up this matter to bring into perspective El-Rufai's claim that Nuhu Ribadu wants to be president in 2031, for which he's dealing with anybody who stands the chance of challenging him in doing so. Of course, we believe that also that following these revelations and allegations by Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, Nuhu Ribadu may have to say something or his people may have to say something in respect of these allegations. But we all know that Nuhu Ribadu, as a politician, has the right to want to succeed his boss in 2031. That will be determined by Nigerians. That is, if they are able to survive the tsunami that has been packaged by the coalition to ensure that Tinubu becomes a one-time president. Because everything depends on the Nigerian people. If Nigerian people say enough is enough, that the APC, that Tinubu is going to be a one-time president, that will be the case. It's Nigerian that will determine. Don't forget that this is not the first time Malam Nuhu Ribadu has wanted to be a president. This is not the first time that he would have been interested in being president. Don't forget he contested for president in 2011 under a party that was led by President Bola Tinubu at that time. In 2011, he contested for president, but later he brought down his ambition and contested for the governor of Adamawa State. I think he couldn't get the nomination also. He wanted to be APC candidate, but he was outsmarted by some political forces that later nominated a woman to be the candidate of APC in Adamawa State. Now, having been so close to power, that he may have upped his ante again about running for president, which is his right and the right of every other Nigerian to do. Because even when El-Rufai was asked whether he would contest for president, El-Rufai did say that himself, give him the constitutional qualification that he is qualified to be president if you want to contest. All you need is having a school cert or something like that. So that's it. But we brought all this just in perspective for you to think about it. What El-Rufai alleged and what Gimbayan alleged, and see what you can make out of it. Whatever is your position on these revelations, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.